Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fit Ford Ranger roof rails. First, gather your essential tools like a drill, sealant, and a measuring tape. Next, ensure your Ford Ranger's roof is spotless. A clean surface is crucial for proper adhesion. Then, meticulously measure and mark the exact drilling points on the roof, ensuring accuracy for a perfect fit. This preparation is key for a successful installation. Now, let's move to drilling. Carefully drill pilot holes at your marked spots, being mindful not to go too deep. After drilling, apply a generous amount of automotive-grade sealant around each hole. This step is vital for preventing any water leaks into your vehicle's cabin and offers long-term protection against corrosion. Take your time here for a secure and watertight seal. With the holes drilled and sealed, it's time to attach the rails. Carefully position each roof rail over the prepared holes, ensuring perfect alignment. Next, insert the provided bolts and washers, hand tightening them initially to hold everything in place. Finally, use a torque wrench to tighten all bolts to the manufacturer's recommended specifications, typically around 10 to 15 Newton meters, for a secure and safe installation. To complete the installation, perform a thorough final check. Double-check every bolt to confirm it is securely tightened and stable. Inspect the entire installation for any potential gaps or areas that might require additional sealant to ensure a watertight finish. Remember to regularly check your roof rails for tightness and wear, especially after carrying heavy loads or extensive travel, to maintain safety and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.